Hello and a big welcome to everyone. Today, we're going to talk about something really cool. Customizing time management tools to fit your unique lifestyle. Just like how a tailor custom fits a suit to make you look your best, today we'll learn how to tailor your time management tools to help you perform your best. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of personalization. Why customization is key. One size does not fit all. Just as everyone has different tastes in fashion, music or food, we all have unique needs when it comes to managing our time. Customizing tools is about aligning them with your personal habits, preferences and goals. Maximizing efficiency. By tailoring these tools, you can maximize your efficiency and productivity. It's like setting up your workspace just right. It makes all the difference. Customizing digital tools. App settings and features. Dive into the settings of your digital tools. You'll find a world of features to customize, from notification preferences to color themes. It's like adjusting the settings on your phone or TV to suit your preferences. Integrations and automations. Many apps allow integrations with other tools. Automate where you can. Maybe have your to-do list app sync with your calendar. It's like having a team of robots working quietly in the background. Creating templates. If you find yourself repeatedly doing the same tasks, create templates. It's a huge time saver. Think of it as having a set of blueprints for different projects. Adapting traditional methods. Custom layouts and planners. If you're using a paper planner, don't be afraid to create your own layouts. Some people need more space for daily tasks, others for notes or weekly overviews. It's like designing your own house layout. DIY boards. Turn a whiteboard or corkboard into a custom planning center. Maybe you divide it into sections for different projects or life areas. It's a visual and interactive way to manage time. Blending techniques for your lifestyle. The hybrid approach. Maybe you like the digital approach for work tasks, but prefer a physical journal for personal goals. Mix and match to find the perfect blend for you. Regular reviews and tweaks. Your life isn't static, and neither should your time management tools be. Regularly review how well your system is working and make tweaks as needed. It's like taking your car in for a tune-up. Customizing your time management tools is about creating a system that works seamlessly with your life. It's not about fitting into a mold, it's about creating a mold that fits you. So there you have it, folks. Start thinking of your time management tools as clay in your hands, ready to be molded to fit your life perfectly. Experiment, adjust, and don't be afraid to try new things. I can't wait to see the incredible systems you'll create that are as unique as each of you. Happy customizing, and remember, in the world of time management, you're the artist.